Hey guys, today we're gonna play Roblox Emergency Landing Beta. With we call Ryan. So guys, I'm gonna try to play, but his iPad is already close. Battery is out. So let's play this. And I don't care if the plane crash. Just crash, please. There's no time, and we have to go somewhere today. I don't know where.
Exit. We need to go to the exit.
Where? Which exit?
That exit.
Which exit, guys?
With you.
Do the voice a bit up. If you could not hear it, I'll do it bit up. Is it fine? Good, guys. Good to go.
Come on, this work.
Oh my gosh, it worked.
You're stuck.
Where am I stuck? Just get out.
Yeah.
What the? You just off the voice.
Bro, you are stuck, dude.
How's the possible? Can't do anything. Stuck. What the? I'm not getting out. It's just some friends you can make if you want. Me? Yes. You are like Leo. Guys, say hate. What's going on? I got so many tokens. Can I buy something? Oh, we survived. Sorry. This stupid plane crash. Impossible. Random. This girl wants to be your friend. So started the one. You must be a good guys. Yeah, just recording the video. I guess I'll do no volume for now. No volume for now, guys. No volume. No volume. What just happened? Sorry guys, the volume. We are lost. Yes, we are lost the volume, guys. Sorry for that. The pilot just, you got it, okay? Pilot, you got it. This is a 737, not a 780, 80 or 747. Just be quiet and just crash. Oh my god. I'll just keep playing until I crash it. This all the time has some issues. I don't care. Plane. What did you say? Plane? Okay. can't do tilt. It's not tilting right.
Go the front of the bike seat.
Of course.
You couldn't. Don't jump out.
Why? What's wrong?
You'll die.
Oh, take out the landing gear. And oh my god, we are just a shooting star. My god. Oh my god. My god. Oh, 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 oh. Help us in my brace. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
That was a mid-air collision. Your health.
Oh my gosh.
So guys,
We died. Guys, we died.
that is the end of the video.
No, Ran, this is not the end of the video. Guys, we actually died. Guys, this has some masla. It has some issue. Guys, it has some issue.
You don't want to end the video?
Guys, what?
End the video.
No, man, I just want to play another one, then another one, guys.
You do 4. You can do 2 more and then
Yes.
that 2 more.
But guys, when you do keep playing, it will show leave or keep playing. I keep playing. That means it will just go away from me for some reason, guys. Oh, there is no network issue. Just go. This is a fun game.
Which is it?
Is it recording? It's on.
Yes, it's recording.
System is recording. Sorry, guys. I had a sound issue.
Me too.
Guys, let me do it a bit loud.
Sorry guys, the net didn't allow us.
Okay. It might not work. Yes? No, it's not working.
So guys, that is the end of the video.
No, Ran, this is not the end. Guys, I am sorry, but this will be end of the video, and please like and subscribe. Sorry because I have less charging, 5, and I don't have enough charging, so we might end the video, but don't worry, we will play tomorrow and upload a video when I come back. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.